You just keep root 2 separate, and root 3 you pair it with 1, like this. Root 3 plus 1. Okay, maybe keep them together in a bracket, minus root 2. Understood this step?
Yes.
Now next step, what you do, you rationalize it. Okay, considering this as a and this as b. So you get root 3 plus 1 inside the bracket plus root 2 in the denominator. Similarly, write root 3 plus 1 plus root 2. Okay, so my denominator becomes root 3. Here again, a minus b into a plus b. This whole thing is a. Root 3 plus 1 is a, and root 2 is b. Root 3 plus 1 whole square minus root 2 whole square. In the numerator, we get root 3 plus 1 plus root 2. Again, root 3 plus 1 plus root 2 divided by, okay, let's solve the denominator. Root 3 plus 1 whole square. So for this first term, we use the identity a plus b whole square. Correct? So root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1. Okay, minus root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square, which is 2. Okay, so now we get root 3 plus 1 plus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 2 root 2. Now if you observe this question, you will realize that actually we did not get rid of the irrational number. But what happened is, instead of having two different irrational number, now I have just have one irrational part. Okay, so we will have to do the whole process again. Okay, so like how we used to solve previous question, we need to rationalize again after this step. So whenever you have this kind of question, one step of rationalization is not sufficient. So here we write 2 minus 2 root 2, and here also 2 minus 2 root 2. Okay, now see, the denominator will be quite easy. 2 plus 2 root 2, 2 minus 2, 2 root 2. So 2 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. How we multiply this? First term with the first term. Okay, root 3 multiplied with 2. What's the answer?
2 root 3.
2 root 3.
2 root 3. Okay, root 3 multiplied with minus 2 root 2. First term with second term now. Okay, so you can go step by
Minus
step. First, the sign is negative. Outside the bracket, we just have 2. Root 3 and root 2 are inside the, sorry, outside the root, we just had 2. Outside the, and inside the root, we have root 3 and root 2. Term is 1. 1 into 2. 1 multiplied with 2 is
2
2. Then 1 multiplied with minus 2 root 2.
minus 2 root 2.
Minus 2 root 2. Okay. Now the third term here, which is root 2. Root 2 multiplied with 2. 2 into root 2. Just a 2 root
2
2.
root 2. Yeah.
Then,
It would be like minus 2 root 4, that is minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4.
correct. When you're multiplying these two numbers, can you see here the sign is plus on root 2, and here the sign is minus? So what would be overall sign? Minus 2 root 2.
So it will be minus then.
So the overall sign is minus, correct?
Yes, sir.
Which all terms are outside the root in this and this?
2.
2. So put a 2. What all terms are inside the root?
Root 2. So it will be root 2
I think
square.
minus root 4.
It will be root 4. Root 2 into root 2.
So that will be okay.
That will be again 2. Square root of 4 is 2.
So,
Just
Yes, sir.
simplify this. This is 2 root 3, 2 root 6. I cannot simplify these two terms because one has root 3, one has root 2. Then this is plus 2 and this is minus 4. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Divided by, in the denominator, 2 square is 4 and 2 root 2 square is 8. Okay. So it's 2 root 3 minus 2 root 6 minus 2 divided by minus 4. Okay, you can cancel with 2. So root 3 minus root 6 minus 1 divided by minus 2. Okay, if you want to take minus in the numerator, you can do that. It's your choice. Or you can just leave it like this.